morning. I finally made the 9 o'clock bus, sitting in the shade with the driver, and on my way for a return trip to Dhermi. I actually really like Dhermi, considering one of these days spending the night, probably not tonight, because I don't have my charger. But anyway, this is morning rush hour. I think I finally accepted there are many ways to live a life. I have a much better idea of what is happening here now. Here's the road. I am going to walk down again. This is the park. These are my buddies here.
Yeah, welcome to Dhermi.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yay! I got a ride down the hill from a friend of a friend I met last time. They remember you here. That's Albania. Yeah. That's enough excitement for one day. Let's catch the bus and head home.